In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Trello cards repeat using the Recurring Tasks power-up. This feature can be a game changer if you're handling tasks that need to occur at regular intervals, such as weekly reports, daily checklists, or monthly planning sessions. Understanding how to automate these recurring tasks can save you time and streamline your workflow, allowing you to focus on more creative or strategic aspects of your work. So let's dive in and walk through the steps to set this up in Trello. First things first, head over to Trello.com and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, signing up is straightforward. Once you're logged in, navigate to the board where you'd like to enable the recurring card feature. This board could be one dedicated to a specific project or ongoing workflow where repetitive tasks frequently arise. Now look towards the top of your board and click on the Power-Ups option in the menu. This is where Trello's various enhancements can be found, allowing you to extend the functionality of your boards. In the Power-Up search bar, type the card repeater to locate the power-up designed specifically for recurring tasks. Once you see it, click Add to enable this feature on your board. Keep in mind, if you're using Trello's free plan, you're limited to one power-up per board, so make sure this is indeed the power-up you want to prioritize. With the card repeater power-up activated, go ahead and open the card you wish to make recurring. If you haven't created a card yet, now is a good time to add a new one. On the right side of the open card, you'll now see a new Repeat button. This appears thanks to the power-up you've just added. Clicking on this button will allow you to start setting up your repeat schedule. At the bottom of the card, notice the rocket icon. Clicking it will let you dive into configuring all the repeat settings according to your needs. You'll have several options here. You can choose whether you want the card to repeat daily, weekly, or monthly. For weekly repeats, you can specify the exact day or days. Also, determine the exact time you want the card to be duplicated, either at the start of your workday or perhaps during a quiet afternoon. Additionally, set where you'd like the new card to appear by selecting the specific list and decide whether it should be at the top or bottom. You also have the flexibility to copy elements from the original card, such as checklists, labels, due dates, and assign members.